My name is Estelle Evrard. I'm working as a researcher at the University of Luxembourg. I'm a geographer, and I'm starting this new project, which is called Remix Place, which is about attachment to place in this cross-border area as at Belval. I got an opportunity at the University of Luxembourg, so I was happy to join to learn more from Luxembourg and from the surrounding region. So geography of emotion is, first of all, new. It's a new field of study, rather new. It's also experimental, therefore, in terms of methodology. It's also, first of all, about affect, understanding the effect of people in place, and therefore it's very sensible, very sensitive to people's understanding and people's behavior in place. And understanding this effect brings to understanding the action. So it's also about action. I bet if you have a look at your pictures on your phone, you have more pictures of your summer holiday than of the places where you live and where you work and study. The Remix Place challenges that. Remix Place looks at people's attachment to their specific environment and is interested in understanding what drives this attachment to the places where we live. So drawing upon a very wide material of methods, we will explore that with a documentary theatre play and an exhibition.